Hello tree lovers, I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. I'm showing you a before and after of a 10-foot cedar, Florida red cedar, actually southern red cedar, privacy screen that we're installing at this little acreage on a lake in Auburndale. So we've already got a bunch of holes dug for this little area right here. And we've already planted a few of the trees, and there they are behind James. So these are 10-foot red cedars, and they are installed in such a way that they will block out these neighbors that are on the other side of the fence. So we think this is a great privacy tree. We have plenty of them. We have multiple varieties that we can use. And so when you're ready, give us a call and we'll do it for you. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe. And you'll get our videos every time sent to you free of charge. Have a great day.